Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You already have Outlook open. Now go straight to the View tab and begin. Choose your reading pane position because that decides how much message preview you keep versus list space. Adjust the folder pane next to show folders or collapse them to gain room for messages. Once done, toggle folder pane between normal and minimized to test different balances. This first step sets the foundation for everything else, so confirm the basic proportions before moving into deeper customization. Next, refine how information is presented. Switch message list to compact versus single line to increase or decrease density, and understand why one helps quick scanning while the other shows more details. Open View settings to edit columns, sort order, and conversation grouping. These controls change what you see and how fast you find mail. Also customize the ribbon or quick access toolbar so you can toggle these layout tools with one click. That saves time every day and makes your setup repeatable. Complete the process by saving your configuration. Use Save Current View and, if desired, apply to folder so other folders inherit the same layout. If you want consistency, export or note key view settings so you can reproduce them later. Make sure to test by switching folders and restarting Outlook to confirm persistence. If things go wrong, reset the view for that folder or start Outlook in safe mode to check for add-in conflicts. This single troubleshooting tip often resolves layout corruption quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.